Alright folks, in about less than 2 minutes we're about to see the first ever national test of the EAS. It's never been done before. They want to test it out, make sure everything's working, supposedly, or are we in for something big? Who knows, but let's see if it's going to work or not. It's 1:59, it's supposed to be at 2 o'clock. We'll see what happens. Two o'clock, 2 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. No warnings yet. The time may be off with theirs. Meanwhile, all this is going on. Having the storm of the century in Alaska right now. 100-mile-per-hour winds. Who'd have thought? It's insane. YU-55 passing by. Got 11-11-11 coming up soon. All kinds of stuff going on. Now, conveniently, this test is supposed to be taking place at 2 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Here it is. Nothing on 103.7. Major problems with 96.9. Nothing on 104.7. Here we go.
Tower.
Guess that was it. Didn't say it was a test or anything. Just a series of beeps. Obviously they've got some problems to work out with it. We'll see what happens. Thanks for watching.